restart star topology. Right now I have D1, D2, D3, D4. All the devices are standalone. Let's create an arrangement for star topology. Here it is. All the devices are connected to a central device hub. So let's find out the advantages of star topology. From the diagram itself, we can find out the network setup is very simple, and at the same time the fault detection too. So from the hub, we can easily maintain the entire network. So the first point is the network setup and troubleshooting. So the faulty node can be detected from the central node immediately, right? That means hub plays a crucial role in star topology. So next point, failure of one node does not affect the entire network. Fine. So right now, if this part D1 to hub connection is down due to some problem, so that does not affect the entire network. That's the key advantage. Next point, the cost factor. So it is less costly compared to the mesh network. So what can be the disadvantage of star topology? So obviously from the diagram itself, we can find out dependence on hub can be harmful in star topology. So if there is a failure in central node, that means it will brings down the entire network. So that is the biggest problem in case of star topology. And another point, that is no point-to-point communication between the devices. Suppose D2 wants to communicate with D3, that is not possible because the data must pass through the hub. So no point-to-point dedicated communication. So from privacy point of view, that can be a concern. So next, go to the bus topology. So this is the structure of bus topology. D1, D2, D3, D4 all are connected to a backbone coaxial cable. Okay, so let's find out the key points of bus topology. So from advantage point of view, let's find out easy to set up and maintain, at the same time can be extended easily and less costly also. So these are the points of bus topology. Now let's go to the disadvantage part. Now troubleshooting is very much difficult in bus topology, and as there is no single point of control, right? So that is the difference with star topology. Next, another point, if there is any problem, okay, at any node, that can brings down the entire network. So that is another problem in bus topology. I think one critical problem in bus topology. So next, dumb terminals cannot be connected to the bus. All the terminals are active during the transmission. Otherwise, you can't communicate through bus topology. So let's find out the key points in the last topology, that is ring topology. So all the devices are available, D1, D2, D3, D4. Let's connect them in ring topology. So as the name suggests, it is a circle-like structure, ring-like structure, and all the devices are connected via repeater to the ring. Okay, so let's find out the key problems and key advantages of ring topology. First, the advantage part. So obviously easy setup and easy to reconfigure the entire network. Fine. Now here the key thing is unidirectional data flow. So that creates the chance of high data speed. Fine. Now, and obviously less costly compared to the mesh topology. Okay. Now, so what can be the probable disadvantage of ring topology? Failure of single node. So again the same problem that is available in bus topology. So if there is a problem between D3 and D4, it can brings down the entire network. So that is one of the critical problem in ring topology. Another, troubleshooting is very much difficult. So that is a important point. And finding out the key problems in ring topology is also difficult. So that's it. These are the points regarding topologies. So in the next video, let's find out the detailed information on OSI ISO layer. So if you have any query, any problem, any doubt, please feel free to communicate via the comment section. and stay tuned for the next video on OSI ISO layer. Thank you.